MiTeam Meetings allows users to customize their experience before and during meetings. This includes adjusting your microphone, speaker, and camera devices. Settings are found under your user icon. Click on the icon and select Settings from the drop-down. A pop-up appears. Under General, click on the pencil icon to adjust the image associated with your user or update your display name. 4 checkboxes allow customization of your settings. You can force the launch of any meeting link to launch in the MiTeam Meetings application. If this is unchecked, all meetings accessed from a calendar link are started in the MiTeam Meetings from your web browser. Enable a preview as part of the joining process shows devices that will be used for audio and video during the meeting. Send an email for all meetings you're invited to through the MiTeam Meetings application. This is unrelated to the emails you receive when meetings are completed through Outlook. Enables a notification when a new chat message is available in the meeting. Under Video, you can choose from the cameras available on your computer. Click inside the box and a drop-down of available cameras appears. 3 checkboxes allow customization of your experience with the camera. You can enable the camera to be automatically on when you join a meeting. Enable your ability to see other users' videos if their cameras are on. This may need to be disabled if you are in a low bandwidth environment. And blur the environment behind you. This is a great option when you are taking a meeting out of the office. Under Audio, you can choose which devices associated with your computer provides your audio. Click in the microphone box to choose the device that sends your audio to the meeting. Click in the speaker box to choose the device that receives the meeting audio. 2 checkboxes allow customization of your experience with audio. By default, participants' microphones are muted. If you choose this option, your microphone will be active as soon as you enter the meeting. Enabling noise cancellation reduces the noise around you, making it easier to hear you. This is a great option if you are working in an open office. Under Calendar, you can sign in or out of an Outlook profile. This determines which Outlook calendar is open when Exchange/Office 365 is selected while scheduling a meeting. Under About, you have access to links to user guides and release notes. The user guide provides more details about all the features and settings available with MiTeam Meetings. Release notes provide information about new features made available after MiTeam Meetings is updated. And under Issues and Feedback, you can submit issues or share feedback with Mitel. When joining a meeting, you can access settings as well. This is a limited menu, providing key video and audio settings. If you made adjustments in this screen, these become permanent for this meeting and in the future. You can click the camera, microphone, or speaker and select a device from the drop-down. Once inside the meeting on the bar, select the 3 dots. The settings menu, reviewed in the beginning of this video, is available here.